Hello everyone, and welcome back to End This Guides. In today's video, we're going to show you how to see a private friends list on Facebook. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account using your email address or phone number and password. Once you're logged in, you're good to go. Now, before we move forward, it's very important to mention that respecting privacy and ethical considerations should always be a priority. Facebook allows users to control who can see their friends list, and if someone has chosen to keep it private, that decision should be respected. That said, there are still some legitimate reasons why you might want to see limited information, such as checking mutual friends. For example, if someone sends you a friend request and you want to confirm their identity, viewing mutual connections can help you decide whether you actually know them or share common acquaintances. So, is it possible to see a private friends list on Facebook? The short answer is yes and no. Let me explain why. Go to your Facebook profile and click on the Friends section. From here, you can see your own friends list and select one of your friends to visit their profile. Once you're on that person's profile, scroll down to the Friends section. If their friends list is public or partially visible, you may see a list of friends or mutual friends. However, if the person has set their friends list to private, you'll likely see a message that says something like "No friends to show." This means they've chosen to hide their friends list, and Facebook does not allow you to bypass this setting. There are no legitimate third-party apps, tools, or hacks that can reveal a private friends list. Using such methods is not only unethical, but can also violate Facebook's terms of service and potentially lead to security risks or account suspension. That said, even if a friends list is private, you can still view mutual friends if you share any. Simply click on the Friends tab on their profile, and Facebook will display mutual connections if they exist. This can give you an idea of shared contacts and help you verify who the person is. And that's it for today's video. I hope this helped clarify how private friends lists work on Facebook and what you can and cannot do. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.